Keyboard focus on first file in Windows Explorer. When I open Windows Explorer, I usually navigate it with keyboard most of the time. My biggest annoyance is when I open a folder, and in it I want to open the first folder or file in the list. For this, I have to press the down arrow key, and the up arrow to get the focus on that file/folder. How could I make Explorer automatically focus on the first file, so once I open the folder, I can just click enter and it opens?
The space key selects the first folder or file in the list.
I faced the same problem, so I created a simple auto hotkey script to solve this problem.
This workaround may be helpful. Try using Enter to open a folder, then Page Up to select the first file/folder. The key Page Up will select the first subfolder on the opened folder.
I fjor ventes opp på det der framme på den seksjonen, der er så oppstriving.